close till I get up. Time is barely.
Hello, good evening. Now we're gonna make an assessment dish. So first of all, the ingredient we have here: chicken breast, potato, salt, black pepper and white pepper, demi glaze, onion, carrot and broccoli, egg, salt and flour. So then these are the item after I cut it. And then the mashed potato, I mash it. And then we blanch the carrot first, and then we blanch the broccoli, and then after it's boiled enough, we put some salt in that, and then we toast it. After we toast the carrot, and then we put in the broccoli into the hot pot that we already put heat in it. After a few moments it's hot, I put salt and let it heat the broccoli until it's cooked. I check it either it's cooked or not. If it's cooked already, and then you can prepare to toast the broccoli and put it aside. Slowly, you don't need to heat the broccoli too much because it will smash in the boiling water. And then I prepare the hot pan to fry pan vegetable. First I put in butter, heat it the butter. And then, not to burn the butter, just put the carrot, and we will cook it until it turn brown, and not to burn, but to make it shining only, to make it more beautiful. Cook it slowly until it's done. And then I put some salt, pepper, and mix it well. And then after it done, you can put it off the fire and stay aside. After that, I prepare a hot pan and a butter, and put a broccoli and salt. After we are done, I prepare the chicken breast. Now I debone the chicken breast slowly, carefully, not to cut the too deep into the meat, and then carefully just take out the bone, and then I trim the chicken. I slice it to the thin to make it more easy to cook and faster. And then I prepare a bowl to make a chicken butter. I put a flour and I put 1 egg, and then I stir it until it's mixed well to put the chicken butter before we cook it. I put some water and mix it. You need to mix it well, or either the flour will be crumbled into the butter and not too good, because before we doing the butter. And then after it's smooth, we prepare the pan, open the fire, put in oil. And for this chicken chop, we need to put much oil in it, because we need to deep fry the chicken into the oil to make it fully cook and cook well. And then we wait until the oil heat for the certain temperature for cooking chicken. And then I put the chicken into the butter first step, and second step we put the chicken into the breadcrumb for it more, and we need to coated it beautifully. Close the chicken while the oil heat up. And then after the chicken fully coated, we should be ready to put the chicken into the pan, into the deep fry. And then we prepare the second chicken, coated it, and put it into the oil. And for the 10 minute to 15 minute, we flip it side by side to make it fully cooked. Then we need to cook the chicken until it turn to golden brown, and then you can toast it before you put it into the plate, because it contain too much oil. Turn off the heat and pick up the chicken. And then I prepare onion, cut it into a cube to make it a gravy. And for the gravy, I use water and demi-glace to make it black pepper sauce, and mix it well until it turn not too dark, because it will go salty if you put it more. And then put the pan into the heat and put some oil to heat the onion. And then until the onion turn a little brown, you can ready to put the demi-glace that we made earlier into the pan, and not too high heat, because it easily to cook and it got too thick.
Kentang tu nak buat tu, nak goreng tu.
You have to stir it constantly. If the gravy got too thick, you can put some water and mix it to make it to not too thick.
Panjang.
Stir it and cook it until it's done.
Buah ni lah. Nampak banyak. Buah pinggan besar nanti nampak kosong banyak.
After it done, you can prepare your meal. So next, I prepare the potato croquette for the side dish. Not a side dish, it's just a complement in the main dish. The mashed potato, mix it well, and I prepare the egg for to coat the potato. First, we need to shape the potato to make it croquette and a same size precisely. And then after we done with the potato croquette, coat it well and you just cook it under deep fried, and it's ready to put on your plates. I think that's all for my video, and thank you for watching. That's my cooking chicken chop with potato croquette and black pepper sauce. Thank you.
Nampak nyok lebih tu.